Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, the exact DB engine and version, credentials, and a working client. Begin with a minimal schema sketch, entities, primary keys, and relationships, because that guides column choices and indexes. Then, create a new database or schema name, run Create Database with the correct encoding. Once done, set up a dedicated user and grant only needed privileges so your connection tests run cleanly and you avoid permission surprises later. Now you implement the schema in SQL. Write create table statements, choose precise types, varchar, int, timestamp, and add not null for required fields. This prevents bad data. Define primary keys and foreign keys to enforce relationships. Include unique constraints for natural keys. Add indexes selectively for read-heavy columns. Use begin, commit, around related DDL so you can roll back on error. Also include check constraints or triggers if business rules need enforcement at the database level. Finally, seed the database with representative data. Insert a few rows first to validate constraints, then bulk load. Run basic queries and use explain or execution plans to verify indexes are used and joins perform well. Once satisfied, add migrations or version control for schema changes. If problems arise, roll back the last transaction, read the server error messages, and check constraint definitions. Those usually reveal the issue. As a quick tip, enable verbose logs temporarily.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.